Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our demo with downloading watch faces as well as the custom watch faces, this time we are going to try the AI watch face feature of our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So we'll try this feature. Let's see if we can create our own watch faces via the AI feature. So if you are interested to see this functionality on our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the AI watch faces of our smartwatch. So we have here the support app. We have the iPulse. So let's go with the power saving mode. Okay. We have a 13% battery left for our smartphone. Anyway, let's open the app here. Okay, we do have a feature here for AI watch face. Okay. Again, the section for the watch face, we have here the dial center. Tap on more. Then it will load this feature here, a dashboard for watch faces. So let's try this one, AI watch face. So let's tap on create. Going back, create. Then we have here the watch face style. We have at least 4 here. Enter text in the input box or speak to create an AI watch face. Okay, we have at least 4 here. Let's go first with the realistic. Then let's create one here. Mango tree with, let's see, with fruits. Okay, then let's generate the watch face. It's now generating. %93%. Let's wait. And seems like we have it here. Okay, so we do have here, I don't know if this is a mango or a banana. Anyway, we do have here a watch face, although it is very far from the realistic mango tree. Okay, you can generate again if you don't like the results here. Anyway, we'll apply this one. Let's see. And we have here a preview of our AI watch face. Then you can change the color also and set as a current dial. And let's see. Okay, in just a few seconds, we'll have our AI watch face. And we have it here, the Mango AI watch face. Next, we have at least 4 here. Let's go with the Cyberpunk. Then, let's see. Okay, futuristic building, or shall we say cars. Let's see with this one. Okay, it's now generating. Okay, 92%. Let's wait for the completion. And we have it here. Okay, it is a sports car. Futuristic sports car. We'll not apply this anymore. We'll go back and let's generate another one. We have here outer space. Okay, let's try this one. Alien Armada. I don't know if this is allowed or not. But anyway, let's try. It's now generating. %. We'll apply this one. Okay, let's see what is the results. Nice. So this is very good. So far, it's all free. I don't know if how many tokens do we have or we need to be able to generate images. Or AI watch faces. We have it here. Let's apply. Set as current dial. And it's now loading. And we have here our AI watch face outer space. We have here mechanized mech. Let's pick. Then let's try robotic dog or robot dog and cat. It's generating. So 94%. And we have here our robot dog and cat. Again, we'll apply this one. Then let's change the position, the color. Then you can set it as a current dial. Let's try. And we'll check later on the smartwatch if how many watch faces we can add. AI watch faces we can add. It is one. It is just one or more. Let's see. So here is our AI. And as you can see, we can only add or generate one watch faces. Download one watch face here on our iFit O23 Plus smartwatch. So that's our AI watch face. So before we end, I'm going to try this one. Enter text. Let's see if we can generate using the voice command here. Let's pick realistic. Apple fruit. Hold to speak. While using the app. Apple fruit. How to generate this one? Apple fruit. Apples. Fruit. Let's see. It's now converting to text. 67. 90%. Let's see. In just a few seconds, we'll have our generated AI watch face using voice command. And as you can see here, we have the results. Then apply. Set as current dial. So that's it for our AI watch face demo of our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So what do you think of this feature here on our iPulse application? Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!